a very high percentage of the time, stocks are in what I call a zone of reasonableness. This is not something, we all know that pi is 3.14159, and little kids can sometimes give it out to hundreds of decimal places. But the stock market's not like that. There's a range of reasonableness, and most of the time throughout my lifetime, it's sold in the range of reasonable. That range changes over time as earnings accumulate, interest rates change, and all that sort of thing. There's only been about 5 times in my life, I think, that I've actually spoken out publicly to say it was outside the range in one direction or another. The most recent one being in October. I was early in October of 2008, and I said stocks were cheap, and I wrote an op-ed in the New York Times. But I'll probably have some chance, once every 5 or 10 years to make a definitive statement. There is a big zone of reasonableness. Anybody thinks they can pinpoint it is crazy. It's not that precise.